eToro Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to eToro and related products are in the description. Let's get straight into the review. eToro is a unique brokerage designed for social and copy trading, making it ideal for beginners and investors who want to follow successful traders. The platform allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, forex, and commodities, offering a wide range of assets for both short-term and long-term investors. One of its standout features is Copy Trader, which lets users automatically copy the trades of experienced investors, making it a great tool for those who want a hands-off approach to trading. Another major advantage is eToro's user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for beginners to buy and sell assets without getting overwhelmed by complex tools. Unlike many traditional brokers, eToro has a strong focus on cryptocurrency trading, offering access to a wide selection of digital assets with competitive spreads. Additionally, its social trading features allow users to interact, share strategies, and stay updated on market trends. eToro also offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla with as little as $10. This makes it accessible for those who don't have a large capital to start with. The platform has zero commissions on stock trades, though forex, commodities, and crypto trades come with spreads that vary depending on market conditions. However, there are some downsides. eToro's fees can be higher than competitors, especially for cryptocurrency withdrawals and forex trading. The platform also charges an inactivity fee if your account is dormant for over a year. Additionally, advanced traders may find eToro limiting, as it lacks the deep charting tools and advanced order types found on platforms like thinkorswim or TradeStation. While eToro offers a good selection of assets, it doesn't support options or bonds, which may be a drawback for some investors. Overall, eToro is best for beginners, social traders, and crypto investors who want a simple and interactive way to trade. If you need more advanced tools, lower forex spreads, or options trading, you may want to consider other platforms. Check out the links in the description to explore eToro and alternative brokers.